Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Neo 2 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find personalization settings. Then let's tap on this wallpaper section, and as you can see here we've got plenty of albums from which you can choose the wallpaper from. So the Eye of the Sky, Eye of the Universe, Melody of the Sea, Space City, Metaverse, Metal Marines, Time Tunnel, Game Warrior, Reacher, Arcade Bliss, and Future. So as you can see, really huge amount of the wallpapers, and all you have to do in order to check the preview of the wallpaper is to tap on it. Let me choose something maybe a little bit maybe something like that. Simply tap on it to open the preview, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on Set As and decide where you can apply it, where you want to apply it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both. I will choose both options, so let me tap on it, and as you can see the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.